We gotta do a good one here, boys. It's about half throttle. Just a fun car to drive, man. I mean, this thing is rowdy. You know, you get in like a Hellcat or something like that, it's just, it's such a different experience. Because this thing, I mean, it literally, like I said, the handling, it's quick, it's got everything you could need. We had a ZL1 there, had to show them what's up a little bit. This thing would legitimately hang with the ZL1. It hangs with the Hellcat. Oh yeah! See you later, Dodge Durango. Dodge Gay Rango. This is San Juan, Chihuahua, Jalisco, Mexico. In case anybody here was wondering. This is not the United States of America, and I am not breaking any traffic laws by doing what I'm doing. We got a bridge, dude. We got a bridge for the, we gotta do a pull for the boys. We gotta do a pull for the boys. She's a nasty old hoe. Bike showed us what's up. Sheesh! Dude, that guy's flying, man. Got them tennis chains on, then they real blingy. We're officially downtown. And we're here to party. Rally car over Lambo. For those of you that do not know, I bought this car instead of buying a Lamborghini or an Audi R8, because that's what I really wanted. But I decided that I wanted this car, and for good reason. As you can see, this thing is so sick. You know, there's just, how many people down here can actually appreciate the car? That's the problem, you know what I mean? That we don't know the answer to. We may never know, actually. It's telling us there's a copper back there. We don't like that. Sometimes, you know, when you respect the build that much, you really just want to you really just want to take care of the old girl, you know what I mean? Like, you know she can rip, and you know there's the force of about 450 horses underneath this old girl, but at the same time, you don't really wanna, you know what I mean? You wanna just be really nice to her and just caress her a little bit. It's kind of what you wanna do. Really just depends though. Oh, we got a copper. We got a copper! And it really wasn't telling us. He must not have had his radar on. I think we have another one up here. We got another cop. Further on up, we gotta watch out for the coppers today, dude. They'll nab this thing in about 3 seconds. It's brighter than bright, bright blue, makes a hell of a lot of noise, and it's fast as hell. So I mean, you tell me if it's smart to romp on it around the cops. By the way, who says? Is anybody else, like, comment below if you say the word romp? If you ever romp on your car, if you just romp on that old girl, Comment down below if you say that too, or if that's just me. I'm not sure. It could just be me. Yeah, we gotta see what this old girl's made of here. I want to go up the trail. We really should go up the trail and then back down. But I got food. I gotta get the food home to the girly. You know what I mean? So we're on a mission right now. It's like Need for Speed Uber right now. Need for Speed Uber Eats. Here we go. How could you not love this thing, man? Honestly. It's telling us there's a cop right on us. I hate when that thing goes off like that. That's so freaky. What was that about? It was freaking out and then it stopped. So there definitely was a cop right up there. We're gonna have to see if we can see him. A lot of invisible cops today there, Mr. Uniden. This is a Uniden R8, for those of you that are wondering. Thing works like a freaking dream. That's a nice Beamer. X5, I think. All right, we got one final 3/4 pull for the boys right after this roundabout. Don't go straight, don't go straight. Yeah. All right, boys. That's it for this one. Catch you on the next.